Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Srinidhi. I do videos related to homemade remedies, product reviews, haul videos, fashion related videos and Bollywood updates. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell to get all the latest news and updates from my channel. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Srinidhik6. Link is given down in the description box. Hair growth, hair thinning are some of the major problems these days, and all thanks to the stressful life, pollution and lack of hair care. Cinnamon is a spice that is used in many cuisines, and yes, it has a lot of beneficial properties, and so cinnamon is used in beauty and health treatments. Cinnamon, it does well for your skin and it also beautifies your hair. Cinnamon helps to stimulate your hair growth, eradicates the dandruff and helps to strengthen the hair follicle. So let's see how this cinnamon hair mask is prepared. Now let's see the ingredients and its uses. Cinnamon powder moisturizes the scalp, retains natural shine to hair, a beneficial effect on the scalp, strengthens blood vessels, prevents hair loss, helps to restore split ends and also has the calming effect on the scalp, reduces inflammation and irritation. Honey has rich antioxidant properties which prevent damage, keeping your scalp and hair healthy. Honey strengthens the hair follicles, curbing hair fall. Honey also comprises antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into its follicle, moisturizes dry hair, adds shine and softens the hair, promotes the scalp health, fighting against insect bites, lice and dandruff. Now let's see how to prepare this mask. To make this mask, add 1 teaspoon of honey and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a bowl. Add more depending on your hair. The honey won't incorporate well into the oil at this moment, but it will later. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix everything well. Warm the oil in a double boiler or microwave it for 20 seconds and stir it well to mix all the ingredients together thoroughly. After the ingredients are well mixed, it's time to use it. Even though cinnamon is a natural ingredient, it may cause some allergy reactions on your scalp that may cause irritation. So before applying cinnamon on your scalp, make sure you do a patch test. Now it's the time to apply the hair mask. After mixing all of the ingredients and make sure they are mixed well. Section off your hair and thoroughly apply this mask on your scalp using a cotton ball or a brush. Cover the scalp with the oil and massage well. Cinnamon oil can treat various problems like hair thinning, hair fall and dandruff, and also can stimulate hair growth. It is very popular for treating hair problems, and the best thing is that it's completely natural and it helps to soothe your scalp and also helps to eradicate dandruff and itching. So one caution is that even though cinnamon is natural, it is possible you may have an allergy reaction on the scalp that could cause irritation. So do a patch test before using the cinnamon on your scalp. Cinnamon along with the coconut oil not only makes your hair strong and reduce hair fall, but also moisturizes it and prevents it from drying out or becoming oilier. Make sure you apply this mask evenly on your scalp. Cinnamon has an antibacterial properties that help your hair grow, helps with dandruff, hair loss and strengthens your hair follicle as well. When applied to your hair, cinnamon stimulates circulation to the scalp, improving blood flow to the hair follicle and leading to stimulated hair growth. If you are looking for longer hair, this is the hair mask for you. Coconut oil also has a lot of benefits because of its hydrating and moisturizing properties. Make sure you apply this mask from the roots till the tip of your hair. Use your fingertips to massage into your scalp. Tie your hair up and let this mask sit for about 1 hour and then rinse it with your regular shampoo or conditioner. Use this mask at least once a week for the effective result. Hair treatment with cinnamon, it nourishes and moisturizes your scalp, prevents hair fall, reduces the appearance of split ends, soothes your scalp and removes dandruff. But due to its natural abilities to enhance the blood circulation, cinnamon helps to promote your hair growth, gives them the natural shine and lustrous and improves the elasticity. So I recommend you guys to try this mask once a week for the effective result. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you soon in my next one. Until then, stay happy and be positive. Bye guys.